Welcome to today's video. So I'm going to show you all how to do upper cabinets, wall cabinets. So I'm going to use this little corner of this house here. So just go to File, New, Family, and then go to Casework Wall Base. You could do regular casework for base cabinets and wall cabinets, but since it's specifically wall cabinets, I'm going to click Casework Wall Base. And then it's going to open the floor plan view, which is the ref level. And this text here is default by Revit. It's just telling you that this is the side that the cabinets are going to show on, the placement side. So we're going to do a simple layout for this example. So you just go, wall cabinets are usually 1 foot deep, and you can go as wide as you need to. I'm just going to do 4, and then I'm going to go to like 3, and then 1 foot deep, like so. So I'm just doing a basic L shape. So I'm going to click the check mark, go to the placement side, and you can mount them how high you want to be. And so you can just, every now and then I like to look at the 3D view to make sure everything's looking right from all angles. So right now this is what we have. And so I'm now going to go back to the placement side and I'm going to do the door fronts. So I'm going to go to create extrusion. There are different cabinet door styles you can do. I have a video that's in 2 parts on different types of cabinet door styles and how to create them. So I will link those down below if you want to check those out. So you can do flush overlay, which is probably the most simplest one to do. So I'm just gonna do that. So flush overlay means it's just covering the whole cabinet. So, and there's usually a tiny gap in between one door and the next. So I'm just going to zoom in really close and do a tiny gap like that. And then select this whole thing, press MM on my keyboard to mirror. And I'm just going to mirror it like so. I'm going to click the check mark, go to reference level. And if it's not showing the reference level, it means it's too high. So you can go to view, or really the right side or left side, to change the thickness of the cabinet door. So like this, I'm on the right side, and however thick your cabinet door is, that's how thick you would make it. So right now this is what it looks like, and I'm going to go to the right side again so I can do the door fronts on the return part of the upper cabinets. I'm going to go to the back side and change the thickness there, but I'm going to change the graphic display to wireframe so I can see where I'm snapping to. And so now we have our cabinet doors on. Okay, so this is a pool that I got from Kohler. You can just go to their website and download their Revit file. And so I'm going to load it into the family of my cabinets. And I'm going to do it at the view. And if it's like showing up on the back side, like so, just click that button and it'll pop up right. So just go ahead and place them, and then just click this parallelogram with the arrows and it'll pop back up right. And if you can't click them, you can change the graphic display to wireframe, and that way you'll be able to click them and see them. And so now you can go and adjust the knobs to be more, on center with each other. So I'm press AL on my keyboard to align them together, like so. Okay, so now they're all aligned. And now that I'm done, I'm just gonna load into family, load into projects, and it's gonna place on the wall. And you wanna align it directly to the wall, like so. So I'm just gonna look at that in a 3D view. So here are your upper cabinets, and if you want under cabinet lights, I can show that really quickly. It's the under cabinet light that I got from Cooper Lighting. You can just go on their website and get the file. And so what you're going to want to do with your 3D view is you're going to want to stoop down to the level so you can actually see where to place it. So I'm going to click the 3D view outline, and the eye elevation, I'm probably going to make 2 feet 6 inches because I want to get pretty low. And I'm going to just stoop a little under. Make it 1 foot 6 inches. Okay, that's pretty good. So I'm gonna go to back to the light, the under cabinet light, and load into projects. And go to the 3D view, and it's gonna snap to the host of the cabinet. So you just press the space bar to rotate it, but you can just put it right under there. Space bar again so we can rotate, and there it snaps. And now when you render in Revit or in the cloud, or I think it's Inkscape and Lumion, the lights will show. I know for sure they'll show in Revit and in the cloud. I have not tried these undercam lights in Lumion or Inkscape yet, but I know for sure Revit and the cloud that will render on. And so that is how you create upper cabinets and add lighting to them. Thanks for watching. God bless.